Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this geometrical construction problem, which states that construct a regular pentagon with sides 32 mm long. So we have to construct a regular pentagon with sides 32 mm long. So a pentagon has 5 sides. So we're going to draw one of the sides, which according to the equation is supposed to be 32 mm long. So we're going to draw 32 here. Use 1, 2, 3, then this is 2. So from here to here is 32. We can confirm it by doing like this. Then we'll put it. So it's from here to here. So this will be what? AB. We'll call it AB. This is the first side of our pentagon. Then we'll put this compass. We'll put this compass. Then we'll open to the radii of the side. Then we'll draw a circle. Using the same radius AB, we're going to put it here. We're going to draw the same circle. So using the same radius, we are going to draw from this point. So we can thicken this a little bit. So now we are going to draw a straight line from this point. Let me label this point. So this point is A and B. So I'll call here C, here D, so then we'll join C and D. We'll join with the center line. So now we have joined C and D. So now we have another point here. We can call it E. So now we'll join this point to this one and to here. Then we'll join here to here and to here to find the other two sides of this pentagon. So I'll call here A, B, C, D, E. We can call here F, G. So now we'll join this. So we'll project this. So this is what? So here will be H. We'll also join here. We'll project it. Then here will be I. So we can join this to this and this to this. So now, using the same radius, AB, we will put it here and cut it on this line. So then we'll join it. So here will be what? J. here will be J. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Then we'll join it to here. So this is it. Then we'll tick in the pentagon. So this pentagon is what? A, B, I, J, H. So we can tick in this pentagon. So this is the regular pentagon with sides 32mm. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.